is Rambabu, Pinchiala. Very good morning. Welcome to Wi-Fi TV. Last time when we met, we have been discussing about career counseling and career change. As part of it, it is just extension of the previous program. That is career change. Yes. When you are changing your career, you need to choose your job that suits your strengths. Of course, we have discussed already about the SWOT analysis. As per that, you need to choose your job that suits your strength. For that, you have to be first a marketing or sales minded personal. Why? Because it should be your DNA. As we discussed earlier, though you are in the organization in any of the top level, once you are on the verge of sales minded position, you will definitely succeed in the organization. Of course, when you change your career, it obviously adapts the conditions of the organization, and you will fit into the fulcrum of the organization. Yes. And second point is, you should have tolerance for ambiguity. మనం ఏదైనా ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు అంతా అమర్చినట్లు సెట్ చేసినట్లు ఏమీ ఉండదండి. You have to be very tolerant for ambiguity. And third point is, concentrate on stellar learning programs. I mean to say, once, though it is not your cup of tea to learn too many technological aspects, you should be able to learn them, you should be able to adapt them, you should be able to perform in the organization as per the learning programs, that is we call as learning and development. Being the senior guy or the senior leader in the organization, you should be ready to learn the new technologies. Yes. And next point is, identify the silver bullet solutions for the skill gaps. Suppose there is a skill gap between you and your peer or your subordinate or your higher authorities. If there is any skill gap, you need to identify that particular skill gap, and you need to have a silver bullet solution for that, ready-made solution. Whether you approach your contemporaries or whether you approach your peers, whether you approach your leaders, you should have the solution ready. And next step is, think like a marketer, and it remains an opportunity area to grow. As we discussed earlier, once you are marketing or sales minded, it should be able to help you in your further career to broadcast or to leverage the organization's strengths to other clients. Then you will be able to on the square again and again and again. And next point is, boost your engagement with the peers. Always you need to maintain a healthy relations with your peers. Why? Because all the technological aspects or all the organizational aspects you may not be aware or you may not be thorough. Sometimes even a small point, a minute point will be helpful if you take the help of your peers for your self development as well as organizational development, once when you are decided to change your career from one faculty to another faculty. Yes. And next thing is, boost your engagement with peers. Yes, we have discussed. And tap into urgency or technology. Whenever there is a technology upgradation in the organization, you need to tap in an urgent basis. You need to learn hurriedly that particular technology, and you need to implement in the organizational structure. Maybe it is in HR, maybe it is in marketing, maybe it is in finance, or maybe it is in supply chain, or maybe it is in customer support. Whatever it is, you need to learn that particular technology in an urgent basis, and you need to adapt to the circumstance, and you need to apply. Yes, then only we can succeed when you change your career. And next thing is, articulate the impact of accountability. Very important and fundamental aspect in the organization to grow in an aggressive way. What is that? Articulate the impact of accountability. The accountability, whatever you have been taking, you need to be in an expressive way to tell your peers or your subordinates or your higher authority in an aggressive way. That is, the impact of your articulation is mandatory. Why? Because unless until there is communication positiveness in the organization, we cannot streamline the things. So that in your career change, these are the fundamental aspects where you need to keep in mind so that you will succeed. I hope that my grooming sessions will be able to help you to promote your skills in your organizations, and you will be like a winner. Yes, thank you very much. Please subscribe Wi-Fi TV. We will meet in the next week with another program. Thank you very much.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Hi, this is Noorun Sharif. Like, share and subscribe to Wi-Fi TV.
Hi, this is Priya Warrior. Do subscribe to Wi-Fi TV.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు వైఫై టీవీ.